Good morning, YouTube. Back again with just a quick video for you here. This video today will show you how to factory reset your car. Cars are more and more like smartphones and tablets at this point, especially EVs. So you're maybe having some odd issues, or you're planning to sell the vehicle. Similar that you would do when trading in a cell phone, you want to go ahead and do a factory reset. So there's a couple things you can do when you're doing a factory reset. So the first thing you want to do is you want to enter the car menu. You want to go into settings. One thing you can do, kind of as a bare minimum, is go into your personal settings. And if you've got multiple profiles in there, or just one like I do, you can go ahead and delete the profile. Are you sure you want to delete this profile? You can say yes. So now you can see that I have successfully been deleted. But what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go down into General, and at the bottom of the list here, you're going to see that there is a reset button. Allows you to choose which settings to reset. It'll give you the My Ford Connect or the Ford Connect reset or the Master reset. If you're getting rid of the vehicle, I would suggest you click this one. So now you'll see this will tell you, by doing this, all phone as a key and settings will be deleted. Everything will be reset to the factory defaults, very much like you would have when resetting a phone or a tablet. So you want to follow the prompts on the screen. So I'm going to go ahead and do continue to delete that. This will run through its factory resets. Prior to doing this factory reset, my vehicle had the Ford Power Ups 2.1 software installed on it. After a minute or two, the system will shut down and restart. That's a new noise that I haven't heard before. So you can see we're back to basic at this point. But I'm getting some weird static coming out of the speakers. So I'm going to turn that off. Actually, as I was powering off the car, I realized what the issue was. It defaulted to the AM radio. I'm so out of touch with radio at this point that I didn't even realize. Anyhow, that's what you want to do before you sell your vehicle, trade it in, whatever. Or if you're just having some odd issues that you think a reset will help. It says that it's up to date, but again, doesn't give you the actual readout. One way to tell is in here. I do have notes that came with version 1.7 and higher, so that's a good indication that I do have that latest software still installed. So that's how you go ahead and factory reset your Mustang Mach-E.